Hi there, this video will show you how to log into AR and take a STAR test. And I will also show you how to take a quiz. Every student has a folder on their desktop called Internet Shortcuts. It has the little Google Chrome symbol sticking out of it. If you double click on it, and your students know how to do this, you'll double click on Renaissance Learning. That's the name of the company that provides us with Accelerated Reader, which is where we take AR quizzes and STAR tests. All they need to do is double click on that, and it will open up the AR website, which looks like this. They will click on I'm a student and then log in using their login information that I've provided to you. Usually their username is their first initial and the first four letters of their last name. If they have a common combination, there might be a number at the end of it. And then their password this year is their SN number, starting with SN and then the number. So for today, I'm going to use a sample student login that I use when I want to see what a student view looks like. And then I click login. When a student logs in, if they need to take a STAR test, all they need to do is click on STAR Reading, and that will open up the STAR test for them. And they'll go through this little, are you inside your school? Well, today, no. And then it will open the STAR test for them. They take the test. It is timed. There'll be a little timer up in the corner. It is important that you give them enough time that they can finish within the time limit. I think it's 20 minutes for third grade. But if there's a situation where a student has to leave, I can close down this test and give them a new one. You just need to let me know. Okay, let's say that a student doesn't want to take a STAR test, but they want to take an AR quiz. So same thing, they log in. And then this time, instead of clicking on STAR Reading, they'll click on Accelerated Reader. This is where they go to take a quiz. And all of your students have seen how to do this. We did this together a couple times. So if they know the name of the book, they type in the name of the book that they just read. And so it might be something like a Magic Tree House, or it might be one of our mini Battle of the Books books, like Humphrey. And it will give them all of the books that maybe they have read that have that word in it. If they know the exact title, they can put that in. A lot of kids just scroll until they see the picture of the cover of the book that they have read recently. And there's a lot of Humphreys. So I'll just pick a random one. Okay, let's say this is the one they want. They click on Take Quiz. Sometimes they'll have different versions of the quiz down here, but they know they need to click on Reading Practice Quiz. You can remind them of that if there's multiple, but the kids usually know they're taking a reading test, so they click on the Reading Quiz. And there you go.